front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section located at the very bottom. Now just click on device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Sunny. Last but not least, to save your changes, hit OK in device name pop-up. As you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!